there's a grand awakening underway across the energy market, the data center market, the customer market, who traditionally are looking for data center solutions, right? For many years, the data center business has been a pretty not so sexy business, right? Nobody was talking about data centers. I mean, people knew they're out there. We hold our phones, use applications and so forth, but nobody really sort of gives a thought to where those data centers are located. But if you were to draw a map, what you would find is that they're pretty concentrated in their location. Virginia probably has the largest concentration of data centers on the planet, and they tend to be closer to population centers, closer to big internet hubs, closer to places where you have expertise and so forth. And so there is an entire industry. I was going to say cottage, but it's not exactly a cottage industry. It's
Yeah.
about billions of dollars, but it's definitely a whole industry that is architected around building data centers in a very specific way, very specific location. And there's a whole stack, right? From the land developer all the way up to the full vertical data center operators. There's a new industry, I'll call that a cottage industry, where people are beginning to go further afield beyond those places and start to rethink where data centers can be built. They're in more rural areas of the country. They are now more and more close to or will be co-located with wind and solar farms because the primary search algorithm, if you will, is power now,
Yep.
right? It's not so much, land, proximity to the user. It's like, we need gigawatts of power for this stuff, and we need it now.
Yep.
And that's changing. As I said, it's changing the entire industry.